Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. Now this recipe is from a friend of mine, and she calls them Mancatcher Breadsticks. I think that's a very funny name for them, but they're breadsticks, basically garlic breadsticks, and they're really absolutely to die for delicious. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ cups or 340 milliliters of warm water, 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1/4 cup or 70 grams melted butter, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons Italian herbs, grated hard cheese like parmesan, and sea salt to taste. Mix yeast and sugar with warm water, stir to dissolve. Allow to stand for 10 minutes. There should be a foam on top of the water. In a large mixing bowl, add half the flour and salt and combine with the yeast mixture. Stir to dissolve everything. Add the rest of the flour and knead into a soft dough. Allow to rise for 10 minutes. Knead briefly, split dough into 8 to 10 pieces and roll into about 9-inch logs. Pour the melted butter into the 9 by 13-inch baking dish and roll each breadstick in the butter and lay them the short way in the baking dish. Sprinkle garlic powder and herbs over the breadsticks. Sprinkle with salt to taste. Generously distribute the Parmesan cheese. Allow to raise another 10 minutes. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Cut the breadsticks in half before serving. These breadsticks are soft and the herbs and cheese give it a great texture. These are full of flavor and just amazing. I absolutely love these and I know you will too. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.